Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a project share. I created this project using my brother's ScanNCut. I actually found this project. I saw it on an Instagram post and the lady's name was Jana. I'll link her Instagram link in the description box below if you'd like to check her out. But she had this posted on her page and she actually had a blog, so I went to her blog to find out how she created this project, and she had found an SVG file from a site called myscrapchick.com, and it creates this pedestal sign wood knot. That's what the file is called, but it's a really cute Halloween decor for your home. And when I saw the file, I thought, oh, that is so super cute, and I wanted to try it. So I pulled out my brother's ScanNCut and downloaded the SVG file. It was actually not that hard to put together. Sometimes I get a little bit intimidated by SVG files because I'm fairly new to playing with the machine, so I am trying to pull out that machine a little bit more to get more familiar with SVG files, and I had a lot of fun creating it. So this is the first one. The file did come with two different sizes. It comes with this tall one, which looks like this, and then it has the short frame that looks like that. It's a little bit smaller, as you can see side by side. And what I did was I used the My Mind's Eye paper collection I recently picked up from Tuesday Morning, along with the chipboard pieces that I found at Tuesday Morning, and I created this super cute Halloween decor piece. I did use one die, which is a scallop stitched circle die that I have from my stash. I did layer it on some foam, and I cut it out of that sparkly canvas paper that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And then I used some black glitter bow that or black glitter ribbon that I've had in my stash for some time. And then I also had this pom-pom trim, probably from Target Dollar Spot. And I just decorated the bottom of it. And this is what the back looks like. Really, really cute. I really like the way it came out. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my kitchen for Halloween decor. I did use some sparkly bling that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and the top I just noticed fell off. I'll probably have to use a different adhesive and adhere it back on, but there is bling around the outer edge of the little box, and I think it came out so cute. I did use a heavyweight black glitter cardstock that I picked up from Recollections. I believe Hobby Lobby. It was either Hobby Lobby or Michael's cardstock, and cut out really, really nicely, and I just love the way it looks. So really cute home decor item. And then this is the second one that I did, and it's similar to the first one, again using that really shiny bling that you can pick up from Hobby Lobby. I did it around the entire box, and I just used some of the Pebbles ink ephemera that I had picked up from Tuesday Morning, and this is a chipboard piece that I also picked up from Tuesday Morning, and I used that to embellish my little home decor piece. And then there's pom-pom trim right here, and then some sequins around the bottom, and this is the back. Really, really cute. I had a lot of fun creating this. If you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like me to show you how I downloaded the file, if you're new to your brother's ScanNCut, you haven't pulled it out of the box yet, let me know, and I could try and help you out with that. Leave me a comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you like what I created. I think it came out super, super cute. I hope this inspires you to play with some SVG files. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Boo to you. Bye-bye.